Don't do IT yourself. When you do, you can run.
Do it over. I know, I do it all the time.
Don't do IT yourself.
All right, let's try it again.
Don't try and do IT yourself.
When you do it yourself, you can run into a lot of problems.
When you do IT yourself.
Is that not what I said?
Call us today. We make IT happen.
We make it happen.
We make IT happen. We know IT can be frustrating. So call us today. We're the professionals.
What was it again?
We know IT can be frustrating. So call the professionals at Radiant Technology Solutions.
It can definitely be frustrating.
IT can be frustrating. You ready? Hey everybody, I'm Ron with Radiant Technology Solutions.
And I'm Anthony.
And we do IT so you don't have to.
We do it so you don't have to.
No, we do IT so you don't have to.
That's what I said.